Let me show you how to make the most incredibly smooth creamy caramel using just your microwave. This method delivers restaurant quality results with zero special equipment and total reliability. Start by combining 1.5 butter cups of sugar with a cup of water in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. Watch through the window as it transforms into perfect amber caramel. Swirl gently to coat the butter evenly. Heat 150 milliliters of milk with another cup of sugar until warm. Whisk together 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. Then slowly pour in the warm milk while constantly stirring. This gentle tempering creates the scariest possible paste. Strain the mixture over your caramel coated dish. Using a spoon to break the foam and preserve that beautiful caramel layer. A quick pass with a lighter removes any surface bubbles for that professional finish. Place the dish in a larger microwave safe container with warm water surrounding it. Select the steam function and microwave for 3 minutes. Then let it rest for 2 more. The residual heat finishes the cooking perfectly. After chilling, that first spoonful reveals pure magic. The quivering custard giving way to liquid caramel. The texture so smooth it dissolves on your tongue. This isn't just dessert, it's proof that great things come from simple methods.